When Shop and Relax first brought you a video recorded in this format, you indicated that you liked it and wanted us to create more content like this. So here goes. This is an update on the big 3 online retailers who are locked in a heated battle. In this video, we will cover 1. Which online retailer just launched a lawsuit on its closest competitor? 2. Which online retailer is getting help from the US government and how? 3. Which US-based online retailer is in 3rd place and fighting to keep up with its Chinese counterparts? Last, we will inform you how this impacts you, the consumer, and what is in it for you. The 2 major Chinese retailers are suing each other, while the US retailer is trying to innovate its way out of 3rd place. You already know that I am not a fan of reactionary leadership, and Amazon is on the ropes and are just reacting to Shein and Temu's every move. A good executive team should be visionary. Yes, Shein is pronounced Shein and not Sheen. Throughout the course of this video, you'll hear us mention the term de minimis. Without reading the Webster Dictionary definition to you, I'll explain that in this context, de minimis refers to a duty-free allowance. In Jamaican culture, it's often referred to as FOB, which stands for free on board, or for Shop and Relax customers, it's just duty-free. While Amazon seeks to innovate their way out of trouble, they're catching a lifeline from the US government, which is planning to reduce the de minimis threshold from $800, where it currently stands. This could be very advantageous to Amazon because Shein and Temu customers currently enjoy this benefit on their online packages. There is a lot to unpack in this video, so let's get after it. Shein has filed a lawsuit against its fast fashion rival Temu, accusing it of copyright infringement, trade secret theft, and counterfeiting. The lawsuit was filed in Washington, D.C., because in America, you can sue a ham sandwich. The lawsuit alleges that Temu orchestrated a coordinated scheme to steal Shein's intellectual property, including designs and trade secrets, and encouraged sellers on its platform to produce knockoff versions of Shein's products. Shein further claims that Temu engaged in false advertising by creating fake Shein accounts on social media platforms to divert customers away from Shein. This lawsuit is part of an ongoing legal battle between the 2 companies. It is our opinion that when retailers compete, the customers win, so this can be a plus for Shop and Relax customers too. Temu had previously sued Shein, accusing it of mafia-style intimidation tactics against manufacturers. Both companies, which dominate the fast fashion industry, have faced numerous legal challenges over intellectual property disputes from other brands as well. On September 13, 2024, the Joe Biden administration proposed new rules targeting Chinese e-commerce platforms like Shein and Temu, which use the de minimis exemption to avoid taxes on imports under $800. These changes could impact Shein and Temu, which have grown by leveraging the de minimis rule to offer lower prices. The surge in shipments, from 636.7 million in 2020 to 1 billion in 2023, has fueled what the administration calls unfair competition. The rules may modestly raise prices, affecting low and middle-income consumers. Although the proposal bypasses Congress, it aims to push for de minimis reform legislation by the end of 2024. Since the price point of products on both websites is so low, and the de minimis threshold in Jamaica is only $100, even a significant reduction in the US de minimis from $800 should not have a major impact on Shop and Relax's local customers in Jamaica. In addition to catching a break from the US lawmakers, Amazon is making a strategic move into the low-cost, unbranded goods market. This is significant, especially as it targets platforms like Temu and Shein, which have grown by offering cheaper alternatives to branded products. For third-party sellers, this shift could create new challenges. As Amazon starts promoting cheaper, unbranded products on its platform, it risks undermining established sellers who have invested in building brand identity, quality, and intellectual property protection. For sellers, this could mean competing directly with knockoff products on the same platform where you've worked hard to establish your presence. Amazon funneling traffic to these low-cost alternatives might erode trust in the brand value that many sellers have built. What impact will this have on the current products on Amazon? Will Amazon cannibalize itself by stacking cheaper Chinese sellers' products next to the more expensive US sellers' products? Please share your thoughts on what you think the outcome will be. If you find value in this video, researched, produced, and directed by Shop and Relax, please share it with friends, family, and loved ones, and give Shop and Relax a thumbs up.